Hi Achal, hi Haripriya, how are you guys doing? Yes friends, कैसे चल रहा है? Yes, I'm blocking your way. Okay, so let us go and get started guys. We are doing words often confused. The first word is originality, it's not originally. So you want to mark the option or you want to mark one at a time? Hi Poonam, hi Shubham, hi guys. So read it, I'll give you 5 minutes or 2 minutes, not 5 minutes. I'll give you 5 minutes guys and we'll do the poll. ठीक है, पूरा कॉम्बिनेशन करेक्ट होना चाहिए. Is that fine guys? Hi Vishal. Yes, Shubham, very good. Poonam. Haripriya. Achal. Yes, giving you guys enough time so that you can mark the answers. Answer is B. Batana hai. Yes, I'm going to tell you the meanings, definitely. So write down, guys. First one, लिख लो. Fort is a building in order to defend an area. Please write down the words and make a list of words often confused. एक book रख लो, write down all the words often confused, and then learn it before the examination once, guys. So make a collection. Yes, I have 2 or 3 such videos on words often confused. So pura cumulatively, you will get some 40-50 words. Learn them up, right? Okay, guys. Fort is a building in order to defend an area. Forte is something that somebody does particularly well. Yes, my forte is teaching. I have a forte for teaching. Are you writing down, guys? Fort is a building to defend an area. Forte is a person's talent. Now coming to the next one. The writer's forte, an ability. It is his talent. So therefore यहाँ पे B आ गया. Right, the popularity of classical music gradually began to wane. Now, here we are going to be talking about wane, that means to decline. Wane means decline. Vane, V-A-N-E, is a flat blade of a windmill. You know windmill, guys? ऐसे होता है windmill. This blade is called a vane. Huh. The wry sense of humor in his writings was not difficult to discern. Now, which wry are we talking about here? We are talking about B. Yeah, this wry sense of humor is supposed to be humor or comedy in an ironical way, something which is ironical or amusing, while this wry is supposed to be a cereal which is grown in cold countries. Cereal, right? Grown in cold countries. The event provided an opportunity for the army to showcase its might. Yes, which might will we say here? Again, it is might. Might is strength. While this might is referring to a small amount of something, like might means a small extent or a small degree. We put in, all of us put in our might in order to help the flood victims. So that is the meaning of this might, guys. समझ आ गया? So therefore the answer is B, B, A, B, A. ठीक है? Okay, it's important to write down a list of words, guys, because I have 4 questions. So eight in each slide and 10 of each. So 80 words aa jayenge. This one slide that you will write, take with me. One class that you will take for me with me, guys. Okay? Yes. Can we go to the next one? First, I will give you a chance to answer. Hi Arpita. Hi Vaishnavi. Hi Ragini. Come on, guys. Words often confuse karna hai. Can you see? Should I move a little more? I'm starting the poll now. I'm giving you enough time, guys. Vaishnavi, that was fast. Haripriya, great. Ragini, Shivangi, Vishal, Okay, guys, so D is the answer. I think the only difference, yes, the only difference here is this B. Yeah, second option, I think. Yeah, A, B, correct. So answer is this one, guys. D is the answer. I seem to be covering the options. Let me move. Okay. Yes, this is the answer. Now, what is the devastating earthquake came as a major blow to the country, which was already in the throes. You have to say throes. What is the meaning of throes? Throes is in the middle of an activity which is very, very complicated or difficult. Being in the middle, like being in the throes of your problems. So you are deep in the thick of your problems. So you are, it's a very difficult situation which is complicated and an activity which is complicated, while throws is a plural form of throw. Plural form of throw, throws, the act of throwing something, especially a ball or a dice, is known as throw. There was a sudden surge. Yahan pe it will become A. Now, what is a surge? SURGE is a sudden strong feeling of excitement, a sudden wave of excitement, a sudden strong feeling of excitement. And SERGE is a strong twilled fabric. Twilled fabric. Thick mota kapda is known as a serge. Normally people will wear it in the winters in order to cover themselves. You must listen to the counsel of your elders. Counsel is an advice, guys. This is council of ministers group, right? So therefore A. The kind old lady took pity on the wretch. Now what is the meaning? A wretch is a person you may feel sympathy or pity for. You feel sad for. She is a wretch. So an old wretch, you say. So a person who is you feel sympathy or pity for. While wretch is the sounds which you make when you vomit. You know, when you're trying to throw up or you're nauseous, जब उल्टी आती है तो कैसे आवाज आती है? That is known as retching, right? Terrible words. Yes, so answer here is D, guys. Got it? Did you get all the words? Any word you did not get? Can I repeat? Do you want me to repeat any word, guys? Is it fine? I'm going to go to the next slide. Okay. Next one coming up on your screens is question number 3. Deepak. The first one, guys, there is a spelling error. It is BE, not bow sorted. Yes, in case it is BE, not bow. यहाँ पे print error है. Yeah. Besotted. Deepak, Arpita, come on. Shweta. Yes, guys, only 3 people getting this correct. So, besotted, the first one, besotted means to be so madly in love with somebody that you are not even sensible. You lose your senses itself because you're so much in love with somebody. That is the meaning of besotted. In love, madly in love. So, they say love is blind, right? How many of you are blindly in love, guys? Yes, besotted is past tense of beseech. मैं नहीं अचल. Are you in love with cat? At this point, only love is cat. Correct. Beseech. Beseech means to plead. So you plead with the gods. You go to the mandir and you pray to God and you beg God. Beseech is the present tense. Besotted is past tense. Okay, so you plead or you implore or you beg. ये past tense form है, ये present tense form है. The social gaffe or gaff committed by the actress. Now answer, as I told you, is A. So all of them are A, guys. So this one, GAFFE, is referring to any kind of a social blunder. You make an error in society. It is a social blunder. Yes. While the second gaff is supposed to be the hook of a fishing net. Supposing you have a large rod with a hook at the end to catch fish, not the net, guys. ऐसे rod आता है, the fishing net, and it has a hook for catching fish. This is known as a gaff. The rules of smaller kingdoms were forced to again cede. Cede means to give away a part of your land. So giving away, like we do not want to cede Kashmir to Pakistan. So we do not want to give away a part of our territory. Seed is the seed that the tree gives you. That is known as seed. And the government issues a series of ordinances. Ordinance is an order or rule made by the government. Order or rule made by the government, while the second one, ordinance, refers to a large gun on wheels, guys, just like a cannon, right? Cannons hote hai na? Yeah. So it is a large gun on wheels is known as ordinance. Are you guys writing down the meanings? Yes, it's not easy to remember them. Ordnance is a large gun on wheels, Achal. Okay, going to the question number 4 on your screens. Easy one, read it. Are there 4 sentences? 1 minute. It looks like only three sentences. Insight, insight, hail, hail, ales, ales. So what I'm going to do, guys, is we'll do a poll for each one of them. Right. The first one, the book gives us a fascinating first one. I'll reduce the poll. First sentence. Very good. Harshit, Ragini, Deepak, Vaishnavi, Haripriya. Yes, I can reduce this further. Okay, insight is an ability to see or to perceive. It is a perception, while insight is to provoke something to do something wrong. The arsonist attacked the police with a hail of his voice. Which hail should it be? Short poll, guys. Yes, Harshit, Shweta, Haripriya, Achal, Shivangi. Yes, guys, answer is A. It is not B. Now, why is it A? Because hail is a sudden attack of something. So, hail refers to a large number or large amount of something that is aimed at somebody to harm them. Just like you have a hailstorm. When you have a hailstorm, you have pieces of ice falling on the ground, right? That is also called HAIL, hailstorm. While the second one, guys, hail is referring to being hale and hearty, healthy. So it is a part of an expression, he is hale and hearty. That means being healthy, HEARTY, right? So again, A. We stopped on a wayside stall and ordered a couple of light, easy. Come on. Yes, that's very quick. Harshit, Vaishnavi, Deepak, Ragini, Arpita. Nice guys. Yes, I want all those students who are watching to please participate. This is an important class. Yes, guys. So ale is a kind of beer, while AILS is a malady or an illness. Like you say, what is it that ails you? What is it that causes problems to you? What is it that the disease that is affecting you? That is the name of ail. And ailment also we say AILMENT. It's the same thing. Question number 5 coming up on your screens, guys, is question number 5. AILS means आपको क्या बीमारी है? What is your problem? What is your illness? AILS. To cause problems for somebody or something. Ail. Shivangi, Mansi. Shweta, Achal, Arpita, very good, great guys, doing very well. Yes, Sharavi, hi. So the country was under the, yeah, fifth one is C is the answer, right? So you start with B, under the yoke. Yoke means under the rule of somebody. The rule, or sometimes you can also talk about a rough treatment or something that restricts your freedom. So if like you say, the slaves were under the yoke of the white men. That means it is some kind of a suppression or an oppression or a rule which is very, very suppressive. Yolk is the egg yolk, right? The complacent or complacent wife put up with his capricious temper patiently and cater to all his whims and fancies. Complacent, यहाँ पे again B. Complacent is a wife who gives in. Here पतिव्रता पत्नी, जो husband कहता है वो करती जाती है. So she is very complacent. Complacent is a person who is self-satisfied. You cannot be self-satisfied or complacent if you are taking the CAT examination. In the past, it was characteristic of Indians too. Now here it is going to be hoard. Hoard is to collect money, to keep on hoarding money, collect. So we Indians like to collect money, especially collect it for our children and keep on hoarding. बच्चों के लिए रखना है, ये भी रखना है, वो भी रखना है, right? While this is called hoard. Hoard is a group, guys, or a gang. Like you say, a horde of robbers, a horde of क्या कहते हैं, dacoits, daku. This is called a group. A group is known as a horde of something. And I needed to make some discreet enquiries. Discreet means subtle enquiries, carefully. Doing something underhand way or carefully. So without the person knowing, you are making some discreet enquiries, while discreet means separate. They were standing at two discrete points. Discrete here means separate, guys. So the answer is B. Answer option is C. Is that fine? Any option you did not understand? Any word you did not understand? Okay, going to question number 6 on your screens, guys. Discreet means being careful and subtle in your inquiry. So discreet means careful in what you say or do in order to keep something secret or avoid causing embarrassment or difficulty to somebody. Yes, so like supposing Rohit ki shadi hai, so I will go to Rohit city and find out discreetly about Rohit and what kind of a person he is, what does he do, what is his background. समझ आ गया? That is the meaning of discreet. Yes, guys. Okay, coming to question number 6. Yes, Pramod, Vaishnavi, Shweta, TJ, Haripriya. Very good. That was fast, guys. Yes, correct. Everyone is giving me correct answer is A. Rohit, and for everyone who is watching for the first time, guys, I take 4 classes in a day, and if not 4, 3 definitely. So I take one class at 9 a.m. in the morning on YouTube and 4 p.m. in the evening YouTube. 9 a.m. in the morning is an advanced batch which started 1.5 months back on CAT, and 4 p.m. is a batch which started today. So all those who want to join that batch on YouTube, it is called Kindle at 4 p.m. Please join me from tomorrow onwards. Special classes happen at 6 o'clock. These days I'm taking an extra special class at 12 o'clock also, guys. So 4 classes, all classes free with Harpreet ma'am. And if you wish to join Unacademy, guys, and subscribe, I think those who are looking at a target of 100 percentile must take the plus subscription or the iconic subscription, and please use HK10 to subscribe. Thanks, Rohit, for interrupting me. Yes, I was able to make my pitch. Okay, guys, coming to question number 6. I told you the answer is C, right? Sorry, A. A is the answer. All the options are A. So gently knead. Knead means, when you atta gundna, how do you knead the flour? Or if you have some clay, then you are molding it with your hands. So this is known to knead the flour. To press and stretch the dough. When you press and stretch the dough, it is known as knead. Knead is a necessity, right? His mercy petition was dismissed by the government as he was guilty of capital offense is an offense that is so serious that the person who commits it is punished to death. That is known as capital punishment. While Capitol is the building in Washington D.C. where the U.S. Congress meets in order to make new laws. So this is a building in Washington, USA. It has always been his dream to go on a cruise. Cruise is when you go on a holiday on a ship, while cruise is the plural of crew. The crew that maneuvers a ship, or a pilot, a group of pilots who are the crew in the flight. The slew and slow of opportunities have been provided to encourage slew. Slew is supposed to be a large amount or large number of something. Slow is a loose layer of dead skin. So dead skin, when it becomes like a layer, right? Dhila skin is known as slow. So therefore the answer, all of them are A, guys. Is that fine? Can I go to the next one? Question number 7. Going to do the poll. Vaishnavi, Pramod, DJ, Ragini. Shweta. Yes, question number 7. Answer is B, guys. Some are marking A, some are marking C, some are marking D. If you don't know the meaning of one pair, also, guys, you will not get the answer. So the first one, given has always been a formidable opponent in debates. Contending against him is a real test of my mettle. What is mettle? Mettle. Yes, mettle is an ability or determination to do something successfully despite the difficulties that you face. So determination or ability to do something successfully. So he has a lot of mettle. That means being strong, having the guts or the metal sum भी कहते हैं. So person who is very strong and determined. Now metal here is not the answer because it is a solid mineral substance. You must cite a few examples. This cite means to quote. You quote a few examples in your essay or examples to substantiate your views. Site is the area where a building comes up. So this is the location. Site is a place where a building or a town will be located, right? The bomb disposal squad arrived at the spot after a tip off and managed to defuse. Here, guys, defuse means to remove the fuse from the bomb, while diffuse here means to spread over a wide area. Spread over a wide area is diffuse. The way he fawns over influential people, fawns, FAWNS, is no, A is the answer, not B. Correct. Fawn over somebody means to try to please someone by praising them. You're trying to praise somebody, right? So this is the meaning of fawn, and too much of praise. You're falling over somebody. इतना ज़्यादा तारीफ करना. That is known as fawn. While Faun is a Roman god of mythology. He has a man's face and body man's face and body, goat's legs and horns. So man's face and body, but the legs and horns are like a goat. Legs and horns are like a goat. He is known as the Roman god of the woods. Fine, guys. So here answer is B. Have you written down all the words? Can I give you the meaning of any word that you did not get? Yes. Is it fine? Can I go to the next question? Coming up on your screens is question number 8. Nauseating means wanting to throw up. Yes, wanting to throw up. Question number 8, guys. Vaishnavi, that was fast. Jeevan, Poonam. Shweta. Yes, guys, C is the answer here. Now let me give you the meaning. The first one, I agree to his unreasonable demand out of sheer helplessness. Now, which sheer is it? The sheer here will be B, sorry. Answer is mm, yes, answer is C. A is the first one. Yes, sheer. Right? Sheer is supposed to be utter or complete. Utter or complete. So total helplessness. While shear here is to remove the wool from the sheep. When you remove the wool from the sheep, it is known as shear. The police overpowered the maniac and wrested the gun. Wrested means to pull. किसी से कुछ जबरदस्ती खींच लेना. Rest is to take something from somebody that they do not want to give suddenly and violently. And this rest means to take rest, right? Yes, the gilded peak of the mountain. Now, which one will it be? This one, guys. Gilded means when gilded means like if you have something like golden temple is gilded in stone in gold, right? So gild is supposed to be something which is covered in gold. So a thin layer of gold or gold paint is known as gild. Now, when the sun's rays fall on the mountain peak, it looks like it is gold in color. While guild is supposed to be a group of people, like an organization, like a guild of people who have the same job or the same interest or the same aims, is known as gilded guys, right? Yeah, like you have a guild of businessmen. Being shrewd person that is, he realized that what he could not gain by force, he could do using craft. Now, craft in this context means it is a skill in making people do what they want to and make them believe what you want to. So it's crafty, means being very scheming, cunning. While craft here is supposed to be a strong brown paper you made from wood pulp. Brown paper, guys, and it is made of wood pulp, right? And especially used for bags and wrapping paper. So answer is A. Is that fine? You got all the meanings. So many words you're learning with me, guys, today. Coming, come on. In ninth one, question number 9 on your screens. Are you guys tired? Ragini, Shweta, Achal, Haripriya, Deepak. Can I share the leaderboard, guys? Yes, here we have Shweta Tiwari is 9, Haripriya is 8, Ragini is 7, Achal is also 7, Vaishnavi 6, Poonam 5, Arpita 5, Deepak 4, Shivangi 4, and Harshit is 3, guys. Okay, now look at the meanings of this particular words. Question number 9, as I told you, the answer here is A. All of them are A again. So, what is the meaning of censured? Yes, censure is to rebuke. It means to rebuke. किसी को गुस्सा करना is censured. Censor is to remove parts, to cut a part of something, like you censorship of a movie or censorship of a book, where parts which are offensive are completely removed, right? And here you're talking about giving a fair crack of the whip. Fair crack of the whip is an idiomatic expression which means a reasonable opportunity to show that you can do something. A good manager is one who believes in giving everyone a fair crack at the whip. That means giving an opportunity to prove themselves, guys, right? To be able to prove yourself. And therefore, it is FAIR, while FARE is the auto fare, the money that you pay. Auto fare, taxi fare, FARE. Okay, and then here the palate is the top part of the mouth. So the restaurant offers on its menu gourmet cuisine. Gourmet means supposed to be a variety of food to suit most discerning palates. So people, discerning means people who have a taste for food, an ability to recognize and enjoy good food, are people who have a discerning palate. Discerning means being able to make out कि किस किस सब्जी में क्या मसाले पड़े हैं, कैसे स्पाइसेस पड़े हैं, क्या टेस्ट है, what where does this originate from. Discerning palate. So palate is the top of the mouth, guys. So between the top of the mouth and the tongue, you create taste. While this palette is an artist mixing board. When an artist is painting, he has a board in which he mixes all his colors. So that is known as the artist mixing board. And lastly, quite frankly, that means to a great extent, it is Kim who is responsible for this fiasco. Fiasco is an anticlimax, while quiet means being silent, right? So therefore, the answer is A, guys. Going to the next question on your screens is question number 10. Question number 10, guys. What is the answer? Quiet. Quiet means to a certain degree, like she is quite intelligent. That means to a great extent she is intelligent. While quiet means chup karke baithna. She is a very quiet girl. TJ, very good. That was fast. Mansi, Ragini, Haripriya. Yes. Rakhi, I'm doing VARC for the cat. Yes, encouraging children to read is bound to. What is the answer? Wet. Wet is to sharpen, guys. To sharpen the appetite. Whet the appetite is often an expression like an idiomatic expression that means to sharpen your appetite for knowledge. Learning with Harpreet ma'am is going to whet your appetite for VARC, guys. ठीक है? You like the quest sentence? Okay, wet means damp, गीला हो जाना. His involvement in the scam, his reputation or stained his reputation beyond repair will be stained, right? Yes. Question number 10, as I told you, answer is B. So this has to be B. So what is the meaning of stain? Stain, is the same as stain. The stain is like dag lag jana, right? So that is the same here. Stain is to damage your opinion about people, and sorry, this is to stain, and steiner is supposed to be a large mug for drinking beer, guys. It's a mug for drinking beer. While stained is dag lag jana. So it stained his reputation. It marred his reputation. Majority of people express their disapproval of the two-tier system. Two-tier means levels. So you have two-tier cities also. So it is supposed to be level or a layer, right? Yes, tier is referring to several layers in an organization or a system, and tear is teardrops. When you cry, the tears fall from your eyes. Born and bred. So the expression with born and bred. Bred means brought up, how you are nurtured, how you are nourished. To breed. Past tense of breed is bread, right? And this one bread is the bread that you eat for breakfast in the morning, right, guys? So answer is B. Is that fine? Yes, so much that you learned with me. I don't know if I have more questions here. One more, 11, no. Two-tier means levels or layers, Achal. Yes, like you say, which city are you from? Mumbai, Delhi are one-tier cities, while Lucknow, Nagpur are two-tier cities. That means coming in the second layer, right? So let me upload another file, guys. Just hang on. Please don't leave. What do you want me to do? Para completion. Uh, yes, these are pretty good questions, guys. Yes. Students taking the plus, I have been teaching them these files. They are plus files, guys. Come on. Yes, give me a minute, read the paragraph. Done. Achal, good. T2 Patel, Achal. Yes, I'm giving you enough time, guys. Yes, only two people have got the answer correct. Somebody is marking A, somebody is marking B. Now, why is C the answer? Because the last sentence has to flow from the penultimate sentence, right? So he's telling you that they were delighted. So accompanying me were 12 conservation officers, people who save animals, were delighted to see the sighting of a herd of elephants at the end of the safari. So their excitement was understandable. Then had a maximum of 500 elephants. So they still had 500 elephants, right? So why should it be understandable? Today the number of elephants has plummeted to less than 100. No, the reason is that they are being decimated for ivory and meat are impossible to see in the wild. This is aggravating the situation. You don't see them only because they are being destroyed for ivory and meat. Here, just saying that they are plummeted, that means less than 100, that means there are still 100. The situation becomes very grave because you don't see them only, right? So, therefore, answer is C. They are also losing the habit rapidly because of the pressures of an increasing population. Does not make sense, guys. Easy to eliminate D. Got it? Ivory. हाथी के दांत are made of ivory, Shweta. Ivory is the material that is got from the teeth of the elephant. Yes. Yes, second question, guys. Para completion, come on. Do you want me to give you more time per question? Tell me. Vaishnavi, Mansi, Rohit, Poonam, Ritu. Is it 100%? So if you notice, okay, 90 seconds I will give you. Paragraphs are long, right, Achal? I was also thinking. Okay, so what is it now that is talking about two things? One is it's talking about IT. Secondly, it's also talking about holidaying or traveling. So option should also be the one which is talking about both. So if you look at B, with Kerala, there exists opportunities for making business with pleasure. So it's talking about work and pleasure. That is why B has both the components. This is talking about e-governance and e-literacy to enjoyable to people in all walks of life means people coming from different professions. This is only talking about IT companies. This is also talking about only IT. We have to talk about a situation which is telling you that it drives people to living up to the world's most experienced destination on a traveler's list. So while you're in IT, you're also traveling. So B is the correct answer, guys. That fine? Yes, going to question number 3. On your screens is question number 3, guys. Look at the logic and mark the answer, guys. सोच के बताओ. Hari Priya, very good. Very good, guys. Answer is C. C. Why is it C? Because it is saying that in cricket the leader is very very important. That's why the captain is given so much of importance. A captain needs to choose his team, ready himself thoroughly before a tournament is not conclusive in nature, although it's talking about the captain and it's not flowing from this passage. The paragraph is saying in cricket, captain is important. In soccer and hockey, it is all about coach, and a lot of importance is given to him in these. So the coach is important here, right? Since the captain is the most crucial cog, it is important that he leads by example. Is a different idea. Cog in the wheel is okay, right? But he leads by example means whatever he does, others should follow is going out of context. But in cricket, is the captain who is in the hot seat, is what he's trying to say, even in the beginning of the paragraph. You can analyze long and hard, but it is the captain who makes the spot decisions that may or may not with the match is not conclusive in nature, although it's again talking about the captain. Answer is C, guys. These are cat type of questions. So options will be very, very close. You have to pick the best option. Question number 4, guys. We just have 5 minutes left. It's not colleges, guys. It is collages. Collage, pata hai? So when you have a painting or a mixture of many things, it's called a collage. You must have made collages in college and school, right? So here he's talking about Bergman's movies collages. They are very bizarre, bold, and surreal. Yes, are the questions very heavy? I can see students leaving, but then guys, you have to challenge yourself and you have to do cat type of questions. These are questions which are coming in the cat examination very often. Aman. Guys, I want you to know that tomorrow at 9 a.m. I'm doing a marathon. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. is a marathon, guys. 50 questions is what I'm going to do. So please join me in the morning for a marathon session. Yes, all those who are watching, कल सुबह मैराथन सेशन है guys. Aman, Navpreet. Yes, mixed bag of questions with many, many questions coming up. Yes. Yes, Achal आएगी, शिवांगी भी आएगी, श्वेता भी आएगी. और कौन आएगा? Yes, who all are attending the marathon with me in the morning, guys? 9 a.m. marathon, verbal ability, verbal reasoning. Right, Sri, that you get up in the morning early and join me for a 2 hour. How much you know? Know what, Shweta? Yes, fourth one answer is D, guys. They are certainly not for the conventional. So if they are bizarre, bold, and surreal, surreal is dreamlike. You're zonked. That means you're so shocked for a split second, not sure what to do with a flood of random images and salting your brain. They are certainly not for the conventional. So best one is D. Why didn't you choose D? Yes, Zarur, Shweta. Everyone, guys, and please be with me for 2 hours throughout. The use of color is sparse. Sparse means very less. 40-year-old artist has no former training, not farmer. Former training is not suggested in the passage. Art, this is a very general statement. You guys are marking C. It's just talking about art. We are talking about his art, his collages. And what is the quality of his collages? They are bizarre, bold, and surreal. Bizarre means very strange, bold, surreal, and very dreamlike quality or very different. So answer will be D. Conventional means traditional. So conventional painters will paint the same things every day. Like, they're painting the sunrise, there are some mountains, there is a sun coming from there. Those are known as traditional and conventional painters. But his painting is very different from others, is what the author is saying. So let's go to the last question, guys, for the evening. Question number 5. Yes, see that all of you are there. Please tell your friends and everyone in the group that ma'am is doing a marathon tomorrow morning for 2 hours. Please join me, guys, 2 घंटे के लिए. And शाम को 4 बजे फिर क्लास है. हर्षित, पूनम, मानसी, वैष्णवी. अमन. राखी, क्या नहीं समझ आया? Question. Okay, so referring to the case or care of street children, NGO's cite means to quote, addiction as a danger zone. Well aware if the child is not weaned off the habit, she or will quickly take to crime or other illegal activities to fund for this habit. So the NGOs are saying that we need to see that children don't get into the habit of committing crimes. So therefore, answer to the fifth one is C. Caregivers try to focus on in dealing with these children. So they have to look at many aspects of this child, and therefore the answer is C. This is talking about deficiencies and illnesses. This is talking about drug abuse, which is not mentioned here. He's only talking about crime. Health and education prevention is also easy to eliminate. Right, guys? So answer is C, and that is the end of today's class. Had an amazing time with you guys. All the best. Rakhi, samajh aa gaya? Bye, and see you in the morning, 9 o'clock, guys. You have a date with Harpreet ma'am in the morning, 9 a.m. marathon session. Okay, bye bye. Take care. All the best.